Okay, in this tutorial we're going to use the map method to iterate over an array of elements, and those elements will all be of type string. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new array. We'll say let cities be equal to, and we're just going to put in a few Australian cities here. So we'll say Melbourne, we'll say Sydney, we'll say Perth. I can spell Adelaide, so we'll say Brisbane instead. Okay, and what I want to do is use the map method to iterate over each element in this array called cities and just convert each of these cities to be uppercase. Okay, so we'll call or invoke the toUpperCase method. So what we can do is we can create a new array. We'll say cities uppercase or something like that, and we're going to assign that the value of cities, okay, our original array. But what we're going to do is we're going to call or invoke the inbuilt map method. So with the map method, what we need to do is we need to pass in a callback function, a function that's going to fire for each element of this array. So we're going to pass in our function here, like so. And what we're going to do then is just get a reference to each element in the array. So how we refer to that is an item, okay? So each time the map method runs for each item, so the first time it iterates over the array, the item will be Melbourne, then Sydney, then Perth, then Brisbane. But we don't need to call it item, okay? What we can do is, because item is just a placeholder, we can call it whatever we want, so we'll just call it city, okay? So what I want to do then is just return whatever city we're on, but call or invoke the toUpperCase method in JavaScript. And now what's going to happen is, if I was to log out to the console the new array of cities uppercase, what we'll find is that we have our cities, but they are all in uppercase. So if I save and refresh and go here, we see here we get our cities all in capital letters. Okay, awesome. So once again, that is the map method in JavaScript. We can use the map method to iterate over an array of values, an array of elements, etc., and then do something. What it does is it can essentially perform some sort of operation, in this case change every item in the array to be uppercase, and we return that and then store that in our new array. Okay, awesome. I'll see you in the next one.